In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up lost reasons in Pipedrive CRM 5 minutes. Lost reasons are the standardized explanations your team selects when closing a deal as lost. Setting these up properly gives you clean reporting, helps you spot patterns, and guides coaching and process improvements. Start by signing into your Pipedrive account. You'll want to use an account with the right permissions since lost reasons are managed at the company level. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That opens a menu with various options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, head into Company Settings. This is the central place where organization-wide preferences live. Inside Company Settings, you'll see different categories for configuration. Find the section labeled Lost Reasons. This area controls the exact list your team will see when they mark a deal as lost, so keeping it organized and intentional really pays off. Next, click the option to add a new lost reason. You'll see a button to create one, and a field will appear for you to type in your custom reason. Keep each reason short, clear, and mutually exclusive so that reps don't get confused about which one to choose. For example, you might include reasons like price too high, chose competitor, no decision, timing not right, or not qualified. Use the language your team already uses in conversations and try to avoid overlapping meanings. After you've typed your new reason, click Save to add it to your list. You'll see it appear alongside your existing options. From here, repeat the add and save action for as many reasons as you need. A good starting set is focused and manageable, enough to capture meaningful differences without overwhelming the team. A few quick tips to strengthen your setup. Standardize capitalization and wording so the list looks consistent. Aim for reasons that reflect the true cause of loss, not just symptoms. Keep the list lean. You can always refine over time based on what your reports reveal. If something becomes a catch-all, split it into clearer options and communicate the definitions to your team so everyone selects the same reason for the same situation. That's it. The next time someone marks a deal as lost, your new reasons will be available in the dropdown, improving your pipeline insights immediately. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Pipedrive.